Hello everyone, today I came with an interesting topic. How to find the document library ID, list ID, content type ID, and view ID very quickly from SharePoint Online. These IDs will help you as a developer while you are working in Power Automate Flow, developing custom API, integrating SharePoint with third-party applications. So these are very essentials IDs of SharePoint Online, and I will show you how quickly you can find them and use in your applications to integrate it with other third-party application. So let's get started without much delay. This is my demo site. First, I will go with the document library. Let's go with this out-of-the-box default. Documents library. This is my document library. And by default, this all items or documents view gets open. And now I will go to this. Library settings. Click on this library settings. More library settings. So the moment I click on this, I can see that list is equal to something of GUID value. So this will be your document library ID. Now, let's copy that. And as this is encoded format, so let's copy that. And I'm using an online URL decoder tool, as this is not in encoded format. We need to decode this URL to get the actual ID. So I'll just click on this. I'll just copy and paste this encoded URL. I need to decode it. Just click on this. Decode it. Now, yes, I can see my decoded value, and this will be my document library ID. Similarly, if I want to see the content type ID, how can you find that? This is the document content type that I've added, and this is an out-of-the-box document content type. I have to get the ID of this content type. How do we get that? Let's click on this content type, and let's have a look at the URL. Now we can see my content type opened in settings mode. I will go over and see that. CType equal to some values we can see it here. Let's copy till the end. And this will be my content type ID, right? And this we don't need to decode, as this is in proper format. So you can use this as is in your code. Now let's move on to the get the view ID. How can you get that? I'll go to my documents library landing page. And this is my default document library view. We can see a couple of other views as well. If I want to see the all documents view ID, what we can do is just select your views and click on this edit current view. Now see the moment if I click on this, edit current view, and I can see that in the URL. View equal to some GUID value. Till the ampersand. Let's copy this value. Copy this, and you paste in a decoder tool, and click on the decode button. Yes, this will be your all documents view ID. Very simple, isn't it? Here I am using this URL. Decoder tool. However, you may use some other tools also. There are many, you'll get it from Google. You can use that. Now I will go and show you the custom list ID. How can you do that? Let's go to this list financial sample. This is my list. And the way I showed you how to get the document library ID. Similarly, I'll go here. I'll just click on this list settings. Yes, the moment I click on this list settings, I can see that list is equal to something in the URL bar. Let's copy till the end and paste it in this URL decoder box. Let's click on this decode button. Now I can see my encoded value. Great, and this is my financial sample list ID. Very simple, isn't it? Now I'll show you very interesting things, and I think you probably know the other techniques what I had showed you until now, while you have worked with SharePoint. But the next technique, what I'm going to show you, you may not know. That is very interesting and very helpful. Let's go there. Just in a second, you will get your document library. Name, who created by, and created date, and many more details without going to your document library using a simple API. Here, just need to call an API in your browser, and you will see the magic. So let's see. This is what I was talking about. Till this my site URL, and is the API URL. So just append your site URL here, and you will see the magic. You can see all document libraries from your given site. I can see all document libraries very quickly from my site. Not only I'll get the ID from here, I'll see other metadata as well, like created date and time, description of the document library, and many more details. This is document library, and this is the ID. And last, modified date and time. This is the display name, and web URL is nothing but the internal name of that document library who created this. Document library and created by email ID. Many more details you will see from this API. We also can see the quota and usages of document library. This is another document library I can see here. This is invoices. And I can see the created and created by user. Details. This is very simple and helpful, isn't it? If someone or your boss asked you, can you give me their ID of your SharePoint document library very quickly? Like who created it when it was last modified, and so on. To get that, just quickly get into this URL, and you will see the magic and you can impress your boss, isn't it? Jokes apart, if you go to your document library settings page, you will not see these details. See, I'm going to my document library settings page, and I can't see except this. Name and the URL. I can't see other details. So this is really very helpful. From the governance perspective, you can't get your documented library details as quickly as this API gives. So compared to other techniques, what I have explained in the API approaches I like very much. And helpful. I use this API often for my work. That's all for today's demo. I hope you enjoyed and liked it, and it helped you. I would request, please consider subscribing to my channel and help and support me to grow in this journey. Thank you.